One of the questions in everybody's lips is how this year's calendar will be. Of course, teachers needs to know when this second term is starting and when it will end, when there will be midterm break and all the rest. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the calendar, the official calendar from the Ministry of Education, right? Second term, that is for 2025, will start on Monday, 6th of January, 2025, right? Monday, 6th of January, 2025. That is the first part of the term. Then it should end on Friday, 11th of April, 2025, right? So we'll have Monday, 6th January, 2025, resumption. Okay, there's also days for open day, Monday 24th February, Monday 25th February, open days, both primary and secondary. There will be midterm break, Wednesday 24th February till Friday 28th February 2025. That is 5 days midterm break, right? Then there will be holiday. After school closure, school closes on Friday 11th April. Then there will be holiday from celebrations. Good Friday, it will be a public holiday within the term. 18th April, there will be, within the holiday, Easter Monday, 21st April, 2025. School ends Friday, 11th April, 2025. Okay, then there will be vacation, 15 days vacation. It will be run from 15th of April to 2nd of May. 11th of April to 2nd of May. Total days in the second term will be 67 days. Okay, I hope you are following me. Okay, by the way, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want me to send you this material I'm reading from, just subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under the comment and say, I have subscribed, so I can send you this official days. Then for the third term in 2025, we'll have school will start Monday, 5th of May, right? And end Friday, 25th of July, 2025. So school will start on Monday, 5th of May, right? And end on Friday, 25th of July. I said it will start on Monday, 5th May, and end on 5th of July. Okay? There will be no midterm break according to this timetable. So this is basically Workers' Day will be on 1st of May, 2025. Children's Day will be on 27th of May, 2025. Democracy Day will be on 12th of June, 2025. All these things will fall into the third term for this year. Remember, this one is for Enugu State. If you want me to send for yourself, you can also ask me in the comment section. But that is where you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your attention to this video.